About some that I learned, the Rizal story is Rizal suffered his own life for our country. Another is he do everything for our country because he wanted many people enjoy
As a
for
youth of this country, I was a good son to my parents and have faith to God which exalted. And we encourage also that when youth of ourselves doing, in case there was threat in my country, I will be willing to serve and protect my country like
I
exalted.
learned that Rizal subject is being hero in how to protect the people and sacrifice their life to our country. I learned also that
This
education
wanted
is knowledge
to be
translates.
brave and strong to protect this country because this is my country and it is my birthplace. I love this country because Philippines is
Country,
awesome.
I learned more of being a good citizen and to be proud of myself in this country for having a good experience in our own.
In the country, I will set myself as an example. As a Filipino, we are going to be good example to others. We should to be an inspiration for change because we are set to be hope for a better future. As a model to everyone, I would simply involve myself in activities that which is out to
As a youth of our country, I'm gonna put myself as a good example and a good youth
The
of
lessons
our
I
country.
learned from the life of Rizal was to be courageous and to fight for the rights of our rights as a Filipino. We have to accept the challenges in our life and to overcome it all. We have to have the help of our God and above.
Major lesson we can learn from Dr. Jose Rizal is love for God and countrymen. Like any one of us, he is not perfect.
Yeah.
As a young of our country, I will set myself as an example in the way of doing good things, showing my love and respect to my fellow men, just like what Rizal did before he died. Then I will do my best to be a good example of our country, and I will serve and protect it.